What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another sneaker cleaning adventure. And today we are going to be cleaning some iconic sneakers, and that is going to be the Converse Chuck Taylor Lows, all white. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this cleaning. On this shoe, I am going to talk to you guys a little bit on how I am going to approach this while we get this shoe unlaced. And the major part about this, this shoe cleaning is going to be the shoelaces. And we see this right here, this black on the shoelace. And that is caused by the metal eyelets here. But I'm going to show you how I clean shoelaces with this stuff on it. I don't know what you want to call it. And because these shoes are canvas, how to get this properly cleaned. And to be honest with you, majority of it is just getting all the solution that you use to clean the shoes with, whether it's soap, sneaker cleaner, or whatever. You want to definitely make sure you get all the product off the shoe. If not, you're going to have some staining, some yellowing, and you're going to have to redo the whole process. First, going to start with is going to be the soft bristle brush. So let's go ahead and hit this up. This table is so irritating. I need to figure out how to get my other table in here. But we're gonna work with what we got. And a lot of people say, well, why don't you just throw them in the washing machine? It'll clean them up. It will, but you're not gonna get rid of these dark stains by just throwing them in the washing machine to get them cleaned up. You got to break this stuff down. That's if you care about how your shoes look. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit up this midsole and we can see how bad it is. And we're gonna use the medium bristle brush to go ahead and knock that out. Hopefully it works, because you can see these haven't been cleaned for a while. Excuse me. I'm just gonna hit it again with the medium bristle just to make sure I work this product in, because this shoe is super dirty, super stained. Now we're gonna hit up the inside of the shoe. So let's go ahead and remove the shoe tree. And we're gonna stick with the medium bristle brush. Let's go ahead and get the other side. Now let's go ahead and do the inside. Typically don't really do them. Now that we got the shoe all cleaned up, we're gonna go ahead and move to these shoelaces. What we're gonna do for now, because I did forget a product that I am gonna use just to help break down that dirt, I'm just gonna dip them here and I'll be right back with you. I need to get the secret ingredient. I'm back. So first, let's just go ahead and put the shoe tree back into the shoe. We're gonna set that aside. Now what we're gonna use, toilet bowl cleaner. Now the reason why I'm going to use this for the shoelaces, because this breaks down the toughest stains. If I just did it with this solution, it's not gonna break down the stains and have them look brand new. So we're gonna use toilet bowl cleaner, because this breaks stains down like nobody's business. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add a little bit of this to the solution that we already have. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and let's go rinse this shoe off. Right now, I went ahead and just rinsed the shoe off just with cold tap water. So now, before you use this method on your shoestrings, make sure the shoestrings are just white, right? You don't want to really use it on any color shoestrings. So let's go ahead and just mix that in a little bit. And we're just gonna, I would normally clean some shoelaces. Let's just break them down in our hand, get all the excess off, give it one more dunk. Let's go. So now with these chucks, I am going to throw them in the washer, in the washing machine. Remember those black stains that were on the laces? Damn near gone. Remember, just on white shoelaces. But if you guys want, let me know in the comments and I'll try it on a different color lace to see if it comes out. All right. Now we got these laces pretty much looking brand new. We're gonna go ahead, rinse them off with some water, then we're gonna throw them in the washing machine. All right. Hey, I just want to thank you guys for taking the time on watching this video, and make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. That way my videos get pushed out to more people. All right, peace.